Critical manufacturing creates software to help manage complex production lines. So our main product is an MES, it's a manufacturing execution system. It's basically the brain of a factory. It helps you control everything that happens on the shop floor. Our main customers work in the semiconductor industry, electronics and medical devices. We are currently about 300 people, more than 300 people nowadays. And we have offices in China, in Germany, also in the US, but most of us work here in Porto. We have been growing constantly within the past few years, so our main challenge at this point is scaling. This means that we have more people, more projects, more customers, and more functionalities that we want to introduce into our product. Also, from a technical perspective, we are moving from a reality where we developed our own products for our teams to implement and deliver to our customers. But nowadays, what we have is a situation where we have partners and also the customers themselves trying to implement solutions on top of our platform. So this means that we don't need to care only about user experience and functionality, but also about developer experience and making the lives of everyone that's using our platform as easy as possible. Critical manufacturing has been recognized as a market leader within the MES space. We have been competing with companies that are many times as large as we are. And this means that we have to continuously improve our solutions and bring innovative solutions to the market. So we want, on the next few years, to continue this trajectory. We want to make Industry 4.0 a reality for all of our customers and making it as easy as possible to take advantage of these new technologies. Industry 4.0 has been widely discussed in research papers and academic projects. In the past few years, we have seen the trend of making this a reality in several manufacturers. We have been seeing pilot projects and implementations on real production lines. As we move to the future, what we see is that this will become commonplace. So all of the manufacturers worldwide will start adopting these new technologies like augmented reality, predictive analytics, and what we aim as a vendor and a supplier of technology to support these production lines is to make this as streamlined as possible and to make access to these new technologies easier for anyone and all manufacturers worldwide. Porto Tech Hub is an important opportunity for us to, first of all, learn something new. So it's very interesting to listen in to all the presentations of all the invited speakers. It's always a refreshing moment to learn about new technologies and new approaches to challenges that we all face. But it's also an opportunity for us to make ourselves known and be present in the vibrant tech community that currently exists in and around Porto. We would like to invite you to participate in this year's conference.